Thank you so much, Thomas the Submarine.
Happy to help. I'll find that crate and be right back.
Hello, little fishes. There it is. Oh no, it's all tangled in seaweed. I'll need some help. They did it!
I've got it!
There, job complete. And I couldn't have done it without you, Thomas.
And those fish. All right. Good day, Cranky.
Oh, Thomas, one last thing. Happy birthday!
Da, 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 da.
I don't work on the paper.
You're ready? You're ready? Really, really ready? Well, guess what? Today is the day!
Hey, Charlie. What?
Knife. Oh God, bring me off of the kidney.
We are really going to need your help today.
What is that sound? Do you know?
Snoring!
Snoring? Is Steve still sleeping? There's no time for sleeping. Will you go with Blue and wake up Steve? Excellent.
We'll go start the breakfast.
Yummy, yummy. Steve, it's time to get up. Steve, wake up!
Duck, duck, goose.